And so, here we go. The Federal Reserve has cut interest rate by 50 basis points in their first rate cut since March 2020. This officially marks the most surprising Fed decision since 2009. And now, the S&P 500 is rallying. The S&P X is now rallying about 40 points. Going into the decision, just 40% of market participants saw a 50 bps rate cut coming. It also marked the first Fed decision since 2005 with a Fed member dissenting. The Fed surely shocked the world today. And now let's see the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, or DJI, and it is rallying about 30 points. Yes, 30 points. So now let's see the official statement about the Fed decision. Here it says, word to word, in light of the progress of inflation and the balance of risks, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by half percentage point to 4.75% to 5%. So right after the decision, the S&P 500 rallied, but it is now going down and lost all of its gains, returning to 5,635. On the other hand, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index is going down like the S&P. It lost all of its gains and returned to 41,600. But let's see the gold. The gold futures on COMEX are going highly up. Gold prices are rallying. They touched the all-time high. The committee seems to be strongly committed to supporting maximum employment and returning inflation to its 2% objective. So now, at any minute, Jerome Powell will speak about the decision.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. Our economy is strong overall and has made significant progress toward our goals over the past 2 years. The labor market has cooled from its formerly overheated state. Inflation has eased substantially from a peak of 7% to an estimated 2.2% as of August. We're committed to maintaining our economy's strength by supporting maximum employment and returning inflation to our 2% goal. In light of the progress on inflation and the balance of risks, at today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by a half percentage point to 4.75% to 5%. This recalibration of our policy stance will help maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market, and will continue to enable further progress on inflation as we begin the process of moving toward a more neutral stance. We are not on any preset course. We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting.
So after Jerome Powell's speech, gold futures are rallying high. They are going to another all-time high. They are now at 2,623. Let's see where we are going. Let's see how the market goes at the end of this day. Thanks everyone to listen to me. I enjoy talking about finance and those topics, so that's my passion. I'm glad to share it to you. and subscribe if you want